Two gene therapies for inherited retinal diseases advance in clinical development. A new ultrasonic sensor device to address the loss of side vision is commercially launched, and two early-stage ophthalmic biotech companies announced a merger. Hello, I'm Rana Jaraha. Welcome to iWire News, the podcast. In our top story, two companies making gene therapies for inherited retinal diseases recently received rare pediatric disease designations. First, the FDA has granted rare pediatric disease designation to Opus Genetics' ocular gene therapy OPGx LC85. The therapy is designed to treat patients with Leber congenital amaurosis type 5. The therapy utilizes an adeno-associated virus 8 vector to deliver a functional LCA5 gene directly to the outer retina of affected patients with the goal of restoring or preserving vision. Opus is currently conducting an open-label dose escalation phase 1-2 clinical trial to evaluate the safety and preliminary efficacy of the therapy in 15 patients with LCA5-related vision loss. Next, the FDA granted rare pediatric disease designation to Therapeutics for its gene therapy ATSN-201, which is being examined to treat X-linked retinoschisis. The gene therapy leverages Athena's proprietary spreading capsid technology, which aims to enable the delivery of therapeutic levels of gene expression directly to the photoreceptors in the central retina. Athena says this approach minimizes the surgical risks associated with foveal detachment, a common complication in retinal surgeries. ATSN-201 is currently being examined in the Lighthouse study, a phase 1-2 open-label trial designed to assess the safety and tolerability of the therapy in male patients age 6 and older who have been diagnosed with XLRS. The FDA's rare pediatric disease designation is granted to therapies aimed at treating serious or life-threatening rare diseases that primarily affect individuals under the age of 18. This designation qualifies the product candidates for a potential priority review voucher upon approval, which can be used for any subsequent marketing applications. A new ultrasonic sensor device for homonymous hemianopia, or the loss of side vision, is now commercially available. Ocuvex announced the release of its side sight device, which is designed to assist individuals who have experienced loss of side vision. The device aims to help people with HH navigate safely without fear of bumping into obstacles or being startled by people entering their blind spots. While traditional eyeglass solutions for HH involve the use of prisms, the side sight device monitors a 45-degree field of view both horizontally and vertically on the non-seeing side, an area most prone to collisions. The device, which weighs less than an ounce and is roughly the size of a pinky finger, attaches to conventional eyeglasses. It features a vibration alert system that notifies the wearer of potential collisions, encouraging them to look into their non-seeing field. The device operates for 12 hours on a rechargeable battery with a power button as the only user control. Homonymous hemianopia affects an estimated 500,000 to 1 million people in the U.S. and is most commonly caused by strokes. However, it can also result from head trauma, brain tumors, and developmental disorders. Ocuvex, which also makes bioptic telescope devices for the visually impaired, said the side sight is now available for sale and distribution in the U.S. Early-stage ophthalmic biotech company Ocuvex Therapeutics announced an agreement to acquire Visiox Pharmaceuticals. Financial terms of the deal were not disclosed. Columbus, Ohio-based Visiox is a privately funded biopharmaceutical company focused on the development and commercialization of ophthalmic therapies. Its lead asset is Amlanti, an EP2 receptor agonist indicated for ocular hypertension and open-angle glaucoma. Last year, Visiox entered into a definitive agreement with Santen to license Amlanti, which received FDA approval in 2022. Also included in the deal are Visiox's drug candidates, PDP-716, a once-daily product for ocular hypertension and open-angle glaucoma, which is expected to launch in the U.S. in mid-2025, and SDN-037, a twice-daily topical difluprednate for post-surgical inflammation and pain, expected to launch in 2026. Visiox said the merger is expected to accelerate the commercialization of these therapeutics. Following the deal, the company will operate under the Ocuvex name.